this video we are going to learn about a new programming language called the Kotlin, because Kotlin is going to be a very futuristic, powerful programming language. It works on the JVM and Android, you can say the Google has declared in way back in 2017 that the official language for the Android app development is Kotlin. So in the future, if you want to develop a Android application, or if you want to develop different things on particularly the this Google applications framework called as Android Studio, then you need to know about this programming language called as Kotlin. And for that, here this programming language is designed by JetBrains. So first we have to download a software where we'll be running our codes, and then later we'll be using the idea of applications development on Android Studio with the programming language as Kotlin. So first here I go and just try to say that I want to, this is my Google, so Intellij download, and then I go to their websites. This is JetBrains, created by the JetBrains, and there you see that I have already downloaded this software, but I'm just showing you how to download and how to set up your first initial application on this one. So there you see that it has got download Intellij IDEA, and then there are two ways. The first one is giving you 30 days trial, so this is the ultimate, and if you want to purchase, you can purchase it from here, but if you want to use it for free, then you better go for this community edition for the JVM and Android development. And this is, you see that most of the things you get, like Android Maven, Gradle, SBT, Gate, SVN, Mercurial debugger. But if you want the advanced features like the TypeScript and JavaScript, then you cannot get from the software. Then you have to go for the paid version. But for now we are focusing on this one, then we will be downloading this one. So click on the download, and then the software will be downloaded, and just like the normal softwares you install, you can install it. This is a system requirement: 64-bit of the Microsoft Windows, 2 GB of RAM minimum, 8 GB is good if you want a good speed, 2.5 GB of the hard disk space, SSD recommended, but like ordinary machines also 4 GB these days the RAMs are available, so you can work it. So there is no problem. After downloading you have to install it, and when you will install it will look something like this. This already I have installed. So this is my software installed. Now I want to create a new project, so I click new, and then I click project. Then okay, then you see that the next one is Kotlin, already selected is Kotlin, and then I go for this options JVM IDEA, and then here I'll click on the next. Then you get this new project window where you have to provide the name of this project, so I call it as Kotlin demo, and then keep all these things as it is. Like the project SDK is 14, I have already installed. If you haven't, then you have to install it, but it normally comes with the, when you install this one, then you have to install this Java version 14.0 also, and then you just press finish. So this is saying that it's already, this name has been taken, so I can change the name as demos, and then this one is already application is running, so it's asking you whether I want to run on the same applications or on different machines. So I say that in this very same window. Okay, so now this application is getting ready. this indexing and all the setup required setups are being. So the Kotlin, in the meantime, we can talk about the Kotlin is going to be the futuristic language, because I think that the officially sooner or later the Kotlin will be the only language used for Android Studio by Java. Because in my point of view, this may be, I may be wrong also, but this is my strong guess, that since the Java is owned by Oracle, and then definitely for every applications, there must be some royalty problem or something like that. So that's why the Google wants a new application. That's why they are just doing this. This is my personal opinion. I do not know, because every company is just these days busy in maximizing their profits, so they want to do away with Java. But since there are already so many Java programmers that they cannot eradicate them all of a sudden, so that's why they are planning the slowly they introduce the language as Kotlin. And then now you see that after this, when you learn Kotlin, then we will show that how to use the MVVM model on the JetBrains and the Jet data. And there you will see that how those features are not available with Java but only available with Kotlin. There you will find the difference, and then you will find that my doubts and the suspicion about this Java, Kotlin, Google and Oracle game is true. Thank you very much. Now, before saying thank you, first let me run this application. Sorry, I'm a little more excited, I think. Then here I click on this SRC button, and this is a folder, and then there you create your class. So I click here, and then I took a Java class. I want a Kotlin file or Kotlin class, so I'll name it as my Kotlin. This is done, and here this is my Kotlin done, and this is I write. Because now if you have no idea about other programming languages, like in the C++ or in C, you see we begin with the void main. In the Java we begin with the public static void main. Here we'll begin with fun main. Fun is a short form for the name of the functions, fun main. And then in the argument you have to pass args, and then you put colon, and then you have to pass a list of array objects. So just you write like this, and this way if you write, it means this is a collection list. So this is how it is passed, and this just leave as it is, and then inside the curly bracket then you can write anything. So first I want to write print ln, and this is hello world, and then our application is ready. This T is missing, print ln. So now everything is ready. Now here I run, and then I run. This asks me which particular file I want to run, so I'll click on this my Kotlin KT, and here it goes, and then you will see that hello world will be displayed. So this is fun main args colon array. This is every time you have to begin with this. So, and you don't have to provide the semicolon at the end of the statement. So here you see your hello world is printed. Thank you very much. Just subscribe and keep watching our program and videos, and keep practicing with us so that you can master this programming. And this is a very good programming language, and it will be quite fun. Thank you very much. Have a